guys, and welcome back to another video. This is Irish Redneck checking in again, and this is gonna be a voiceover. So if none of this really lines up, then you know why. So right now, in the video, I was choosing a game to play. Give it a second. Yeah, just give it a second. Okay, yeah, I'm playing War Robots now, and yeah, so this is War Robots, and I am going to be playing this for you. So right now I'm just upgrading some weapons, and then I'm going to get into battle. So while this is happening, what this game is all about is, well, I'm guessing you guys have seen plenty of ads for it. It's literally just a robot. Well, actually, quite a few. As you can see, I have 5. Just going around battling other robots and having fun. How it pretty much works is in domination here, as I'm going into right now. You just try and either capture all the points and hold them long enough to get rid of all the other enemy team's influence, or kill off all other enemy team players. And right now I have like 5 different robots. So the GI Patton is my lighter but good damage dealing robot, a medium kind of tank. The Golem is my somewhat tank, I guess you could say, and the Vityaz is my kind of sniper. And the Ragatka, don't know how to pronounce that, but it's more on my jump around, get around to places faster, probably like cap point or something. And my Galahad, that is, as I'm going to be using right now, it's my real tank. It deals damage very well. You can put the shield up, as I'm about to do. There's a shield. If you saw, I just pushed that button and it brought the shield up. That will protect me from any damage. There's a few ships like that on my, the one that I said I can cap points with. You can press a button and you can jump around. But yeah, this is like a freaking half an hour long video. Of course, I'm gonna be warping around a bit, but right now I'm just going through the motions, killing a few people, getting the content. There'll be this person was hard to kill. Not too hard, but still hard. Because whenever I get this Galahad out, oh god, I just start kicking butt. I really do. Okay, so this dang pilot over here has a shield around him. Very annoying. Because they can damage me quite easily. Well, I cannot damage them. Of course, it can wear off. This is my jump around cap things vehicle. I'm just gonna cap a point real quick. Nothing interesting, but yeah. Oh, I'm gonna skip to some action. Okay, I'm back. This is, like I said, this is my jump 2 ship. I can get around faster, but as you're about to find out, I cannot really take damage too well. I can put it out pretty good, not too good, but can't take it really well. So I think that, yeah, that's right, okay. I'm gonna use my sniper one to show you guys. Um, this one pretty much is this long range. The thing I have on my left arm there, it's pretty much motors, and they have like I think it's like a 700 distance as far as you can go, but there's also an inner distance that you can't really go past. Maybe it's 1100, I don't know. But there's also that cannon, that big cannon looking thing on my shoulder. That is a really heavy damage dealer. It deals about 1100 damage from far away. Missed that guy, and then I also have the lock-on missiles, which will fly at least halfway across this map and hit somebody unless of course they're hiding behind some, which they can do, and to at least avoid some of the missiles. Sometimes the missiles just go right over the thing you're trying to hide behind, and bam, and then you just hit. Trust me, been there, didn't like it. While I'm killing this guy, if you guys got a good look at my home screen, so if you do like any of the games that are there and you want me to record them for a video, maybe a series, I will do that. If you guys want me to make this into a series, yeah, I will. So yeah, all you gotta do is just let me know. Yeah, I'm just sitting here now, waiting for my guns to recharge. My teammate just stole my kill. Just me and him, and he just stole my kill. Okay, so there's only one guy left on the other team, and me and him are just gonna go over there and kill him. I'm gonna try and steal his kill. Probably fail miserably. Can I hit him? Can I? That is the question. Nope. No, I cannot. I didn't even see the bullets come down. Or motors, or however you want to say it. Pofosi. No. What is that guy's name? Pofak Yoga. Pofak Yoga? Or Pofak? I don't know. We got 692. He did. When we just won. Heck, if it were any longer, we would have won by like. Oh wait. I mean, that guy had a. Okay, never mind. We won by beacon control, not by killing the guy. Okay, let's see. Also, this that little box thing up there. It's a special event going on. You can get lots of things. You can get like, well, you can sometimes get mechs, very rarely full mechs. There's also this parts thing. You can get like parts for a certain mech. You have to get like 10,000 parts for each mech if you want to buy it. But yeah, wait, here's an example. Right here. The Inquisitor. I have to have 10,000 components for the Inquisitor to be able to get it, and they're not really easy to come by, especially in those smaller loot boxes. God. But yeah, on to some action. I think I'll do probably just one more battle, but and get some key cards for that, and then I'll end off the episode with proper video with a unboxing of sorts. I think we're just gonna get this done and over with quick. What say you? Okay. Anyone want a fresh plate of hardened lead in the shape of a billet? It's just special breakfast, lunch, and dinner that you'll eat until you fall asleep. It's nothing bad at all. Nope. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. I had to make the joke. I had to. Don't know why I had to. I just had to. And I hate myself for having to do it. Because that was a horrible joke. Okay, come on. We got a lot of enemies all over the place. My auto tracker is going nuts. Okay, at least we'll be able to kill this guy. Oh, dang it, lost my shield. Oh, that means I'm gonna lose this guy quick. Get as much damage as I can. Oh, I kill him. But I'm gonna die from that guy. Okay. DK212. I will remember you. I don't know who you are, but I will find you. And I will kill you. Okay. Let's try and snipe somebody. I just wasted those rockets. Sweet, bruh. See if I can snipe anybody. Maybe get some motor hits in. Come on. Oh, I got some hits. Perfect opportunity. Sure maze. Far enough away. Easy target. And a direct heat. You're gonna jump off the bridge. Don't do it, man. You have so not much to live for. Because I'm about to kill you. But don't do it. I have to kill you. Ooh, perfect target. Hit him with the rockets. And half of those didn't even make it to the target. Perfect. Just perfect. Ooh, easy kill. Okay, now they're down to 4 people. We have 3 people. Fair fight. It's a very fair fight. Beacon control. Oh, good. I leveled up. That means I'm definitely getting. Okay, I got some key cards. Now let's do this unboxing. Anyways, okay, let's see what I get. Give me some juicy stuff. Not like the Kumio components, those ones too. Okay, well, if you guys like this video, please let me know, and if you liked it, then like it. Hit the like button. If you disliked it, please show that you disliked it and hit the dislike button. Very much appreciate it if you're new to my channel, and I'm just new, and I very much doubt anyone who's watching because don't know I'm here, but please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.